Listed at $4,999,000, this Berkshire Lake Lodge Dream Property sits on 35 acres on Goose Pond in Lee, Massachusetts. Imagine being able to step right outside your door and enjoy kayaking, fishing, paddleboarding anytime you like. This home is a builder-built home that he built for himself and spared no expense, as you can see throughout this entire house. I personally would tone it down just a little bit, and so I posted a few pictures at the end of the video of what I thought would look good in this house. I would love to know your thoughts on this house with the design, if you would do anything different. Please leave me a comment in the comment box and let us know. This home features 5 bedrooms and 7 baths. So it looks to me like the bathrooms are a little bit more modern. The home was built in 2015, but if you take a look at all the bathrooms, they just seem to have a little more 2020, 2023 type of vibe to them. I absolutely love this theater room. It seems like it's one of those that you just have some sofas and you sit and you chill with your family rather than that stage seating. And outdoors, you have got 35 acres of trails. So if you're into hiking or you're into cross-country skiing, this is the perfect property for that. And here we have a amazing camping den. It's called a camping cabin, which would be so fun. And here we get into some photos that I put on here that have the design aesthetic that I think would look amazing in this house. I would love to know your design ideas for a house like this or what you might do. Please leave me a comment below. And we have got some very, very exciting new videos coming up soon. So make sure that you are subscribed and you also hit that like button if you like. And as always, thank you for watching.